Welcome back. Today I figured we'd do burgundy makeup. Burgundy makeup is in this fall. So, I have new items to try. I have the MAC embedded in burgundy. Looks like that. It's very pretty. I have, for blush, the Cheek Clapper in Rich Betch. Hopefully this looks good. It looks like that. I have a liquid lip from KVD in Calatrix. Looks like that. And I'm trying a new foundation. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Balm. This is in the shade 2. Let's hope this matches. I need a primer. I'm going to use Hourglass. Do I go right in? Alright, I'm going right in. It's very emollient. That's the word. If you're oily, I have no moisturizer on, and that's bad. I should have put it on. But this is so emollient. You could feel the skincare in it. It is light coverage. Trying to build it up on my nose. You need to pat it on, because when I was swiping, it just removes the coverage. I'm gonna put this cap thing back on it so it doesn't dry out fast. It is light coverage. Normally I do like light coverage. I have my eyes primed. Let's get into the palette. I'm using a Rougher 15. I believe this is Halix, this color right here. I'm going to put that in my crease. Now this palette retails for $35, which isn't bad for a high-end palette for MAC. It only has 6 shades, but this is in their newer formula. I'm going to take this Rougher 15 mini. I'm going to go into this burgundy-like shade. What's it called? Can't read it, sorry. Blending brush and just, I'm gonna take my BK Beauty A505. I'm gonna go into this deeper shimmer right here and put that all over the lid. Not bad, burgundy eyes. Blush brush. It's a highlight brush, but I'm gonna get into this shade right here. There's a little sheen to it. Ooh, that is pigmented. I'm gonna have to get a buffing brush and foundation on my nose. This is very emollient. It's not sitting well on my nose. I'm gonna have to pull out the Danessa Myricks stuff. Not bad. Let's put on that liquid lip. I like this color. Normally, I don't wear liquid lips, but I like the color, and I remember liking KVD liquid lip formula. I think they revamped this because I thought this was much moussier, but I just pulled it out once. The stopper took off the right amount of product, and it did my entire lip, which I thought was good. Well, here is my burgundy look for the fall. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Stick around, it's free. Hit the like button if you like videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.